Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Why is my brake warning light on? A complete guide. Is your brake warning light on? Don't ignore it. This small indicator can be a big warning. It signals problems that need fast attention. Brake issues can be simple, like low brake fluid, or serious, like worn-out pads. Ignoring the light can lead to brake failure, putting you and others at risk. In this video, you'll learn what to check when your brake warning light is on and why it's crucial to act quickly. Stay safe and keep your car in top shape. Let's dive in. Understanding the brake warning light. In modern vehicles, the brake warning light serves as a crucial component of the safety system, alerting drivers to potential issues with the braking system. Understanding how the brake warning light works and interpreting its signals can help ensure vehicle safety on the road. How the brake warning light works. The brake warning light is connected to a sensor in the vehicle's braking system. When you press the brake pedal, the sensor detects if there is a problem with the brake system, such as low brake fluid levels or worn brake pads. If an issue is detected, the sensor triggers the brake warning light to illuminate the dashboard. Interpreting the brake warning light. The brake warning light can display different symbols or colors, each indicating a specific issue with the braking system. For example, a red light may signal a potentially dangerous problem like low brake fluid or a brake system malfunction, while a yellow light could indicate less severe issues like worn brake pads that require attention soon. It is important to consult your vehicle's manual to understand the specific meanings of the brake warning light in your car. Understanding the signals from the brake warning light is essential for maintaining vehicle safety and taking prompt action to address any braking system issues. By being aware of how the brake warning light functions and interpreting its messages correctly, drivers can ensure that their vehicles are in optimal condition for safe driving. Common causes of a brake warning light. When your vehicle's brake warning light flickers on, it's crucial to delve into the possible reasons behind this alarming signal. Understanding the common triggers can help you decipher the urgency of the situation and take proactive steps swiftly to ensure your safety and that of others on the road. Low brake fluid level. One of the most commonplace reasons for the brake warning light to illuminate is a low brake fluid level. Brake fluid plays a pivotal role in the functioning of your braking system by facilitating the transfer of force from the brake pedal to the brakes, ensuring a smooth and responsive braking experience. A low brake fluid level can compromise this process, leading to reduced brake performance and potential risks such as decreased stopping power and brake failure. Ensuring your brake fluid is at the appropriate level is essential for maintaining the effectiveness of your braking system and keeping you safe on the road. Worn brake pads or rotors. Worn brake pads or rotors can also be culprits behind the illumination of the brake warning light. Brake pads and rotors are integral components of your braking system, responsible for creating the friction necessary to slow down or stop your vehicle. Over time, these components wear down due to constant use, leading to reduced braking efficiency and potential safety hazards. If your brake pads or rotors are worn out, the brake warning light may serve as a timely reminder to have them inspected and replaced promptly. Neglecting to address worn brake pads or rotors can not only diminish your vehicle's braking performance but also increase the risk of accidents on the road. Malfunctioning ABS system. The anti-lock braking system, ABS, is a crucial safety feature designed to prevent your wheels from locking up during sudden braking, allowing you to maintain control of your vehicle. A malfunctioning ABS can trigger the brake warning light to stay on, signaling potential issues with this vital safety mechanism. When the ABS fails to function properly, your vehicle's ability to maneuver and stop effectively in emergencies is compromised, posing a significant risk to your safety and that of others on the road. If the brake warning light indicates a problem with the ABS, seeking professional assistance to diagnose and rectify the issue is paramount in ensuring your vehicle's safety and performance. Understanding the common causes of a brake warning light can empower you to take proactive measures to address potential issues with your braking system promptly. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can help you maintain optimal braking performance and stay safe on the road. Inspecting the brake system. Upon noticing the brake warning light illuminate on your vehicle's dashboard, it is crucial to take immediate action to ensure your safety and prevent further damage. Here are the recommended initial steps to follow when faced with this situation. Immediate steps upon seeing the light. Pull over safely. When the brake warning light comes on, pull over to a safe location away from traffic to assess the situation without putting yourself at risk. Check brake fluid. Inspect the brake fluid reservoir to ensure an adequate level. Low brake fluid can trigger the warning light and indicate a potential leak or worn brake components. Inspect brake pads. Visually inspect the brake pads through the wheel spokes. Worn brake pads can trigger the brake warning light and compromise braking efficiency. Avoid heavy braking. Until the issue is resolved, avoid sudden or heavy braking that could worsen the condition of the brake system. Professional inspection and diagnostics. While the immediate steps are helpful for initial assessment, seeking a professional mechanic for a thorough inspection and diagnostics of the brake system is crucial. Here are the reasons why it's vital to consult a qualified mechanic. Expert diagnosis. A qualified mechanic can conduct a comprehensive evaluation of the brake system to pinpoint the exact cause of the brake warning light. Specialized tools. Professional technicians have access to specialized diagnostic tools to precisely identify any underlying issues within the brake system. Prevent further damage. A timely professional inspection can prevent potential damage to other brake components and ensure the overall safety and performance of the vehicle. Peace of mind. By entrusting your vehicle to a skilled professional, you gain reassurance that the brake system will be accurately diagnosed and repaired to optimal working condition. Remember, addressing the brake warning light promptly through both immediate actions and professional inspection can help maintain the safety and functionality of your vehicle on the road. After exploring the intricacies of the brake warning light and its vital role in road safety, it is evident that prompt attention to this warning is non-negotiable. Maintaining a functional braking system is paramount for the safety of both the driver and others on the road. By understanding the significance of this warning indicator and taking timely action, drivers can ensure optimal performance of their vehicle's braking system, contributing to a safer driving experience for everyone. Remember, your safety is in your hands when it comes to vehicle maintenance, and addressing issues like the brake warning light promptly can make all the difference on the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.